Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: The importance of data governance in GenAI. Data governance is crucial in the realm of generative AI, where the synthesis of new data and content is central to its function. At its core, data governance encompasses the management of data availability, usability, integrity, and security in enterprise systems. In the context of GenAI, data governance ensures that the generative models are not only effective, but also ethical, secure, and compliant with regulatory standards. The importance of data governance in GenAI is multifaceted, involving the accuracy of input data, the ethical implications of generated content, the security of sensitive information, and adherence to legal standards. The accuracy and quality of input data are fundamental to the effectiveness of GenAI systems. Generative models, such as those used in natural language processing, rely heavily on the data they are trained on to produce coherent and relevant outputs. Poor data governance can lead to models being trained on biased, incomplete, or inaccurate data, resulting in outputs that are misleading or harmful. For example, a GenAI model trained on biased data could perpetuate stereotypes or produce discriminatory content. A study by Bolukbasi et al. Highlights how biased datasets can lead to biased AI models, underscoring the need for rigorous data governance practices to ensure that the input data is representative and fair. Ethical considerations are a significant aspect of data governance in GenAI. The potential for generative models to create content that violates ethical norms or social values necessitates careful oversight of the data used for training. For instance, generative models that create realistic images or texts can be misused for deepfakes or misinformation campaigns, posing ethical challenges. Data governance frameworks must, therefore, include ethical guidelines and oversight mechanisms to prevent such misuse. The development of these frameworks involves setting standards for data sourcing, ensuring transparency in data usage, and establishing accountability for the outputs of GenAI systems. Security is another critical dimension of data governance in GenAI. Generative models often require vast amounts of data, some of which may be sensitive or proprietary. Protecting this data from unauthorized access or breaches is paramount to maintaining trust and safeguarding privacy. Data governance strategies must incorporate robust security measures, such as encryption and access controls, to protect sensitive information. A report by the Ponemon Institute found that data breaches cost companies an average of $3.86 million, highlighting the financial implications of inadequate data governance. Compliance with legal and regulatory standards is another vital component of data governance in GenAI. Various laws and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe, impose stringent requirements on data handling and processing. Organizations using GenAI must ensure that their data governance practices comply with these regulations to avoid legal repercussions and fines. The GDPR, for example, mandates that organizations must obtain explicit consent for data usage and provide transparency about data processing activities. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in significant penalties, as demonstrated by the €50 million fine imposed on Google by the French Data Protection Authority for GDPR violations. The integration of data governance into GenAI systems must also consider the dynamic and evolving nature of AI technologies. As GenAI models become more sophisticated, they will require increasingly complex data governance strategies to manage the diverse types of data they utilize. This includes structured data, such as databases, and unstructured data, such as text, images, and videos. The ability to adapt data governance frameworks to accommodate these changes is essential for sustaining the effectiveness and integrity of GenAI systems over time. Moreover, data governance in GenAI is not solely a technical or organizational challenge, but also a cultural one. Organizations must cultivate a culture of data stewardship, where employees at all levels understand the importance of data governance and are committed to adhering to established policies and practices. This cultural shift involves educating employees about data governance principles, providing training on data management tools and techniques, and fostering an environment where data governance is seen as a shared responsibility. In conclusion, the importance of data governance in GenAI cannot be overstated. It serves as the backbone for ensuring that generative models are trained on high-quality, unbiased data, that the ethical implications of generated content are considered, that sensitive information is protected, and that legal and regulatory requirements are met. As GenAI continues to evolve and permeate various sectors, robust data governance practices will be essential for harnessing its potential while mitigating risks. Organizations must prioritize the development and implementation of comprehensive data governance frameworks to navigate the complexities of GenAI and to ensure its responsible and ethical use. By doing so, they can unlock the transformative power of GenAI while safeguarding the interests of individuals and society at large. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.